I'm thinking products where it's almost impossible to look at this text and not say it in this voice. And I look no further than fucking Ricola.
Ricola.
Exactly. Company sound.
Yeah.
They've built a fucking tremendous brand.
Ricola. Fun to say.
Yeah, exactly. And I think of being sick. I feel like it always played during Price is Right.
I was just going to say that.
Like daytime TV.
I think it must be something with old people where they use it a lot.
I think it's
sick
kids home,
from school.
Kids homesick
They
from
know
school.
they're playing hooky, watching Maury and Price is Right.
That's some good sales marketing right there. Like half your audience is high school kids calling off.
This draft is so wild because that's like a good number 2 pick, and I didn't even fucking think of that one. There's so many out there that are good picks. I don't even know if your draft status even really matters.